In a recent development that has sparked widespread controversy and concern among democratic institutions and civil society, ZIP President Blessing Kasiyamhuru, with the backing of ZANU PF, has initiated a court application aimed at prohibiting Mr. Chamisa from utilizing the color blue in his political campaign. This move is not only unprecedented but deeply troubling, highlighting a concerning trend towards the suppression of political freedom and expression in our nation. First and foremost, the color blue, historically associated with a vast spectrum of political movements globally, represents ideals of peace, stability, and unity. By attempting to monopolize a basic element of political symbolism, this application directly undermines the pluralistic fabric of our democratic society. It is an affront to the freedom of expression, a cornerstone of democratic engagement and competition. Moreover, the involvement of ZANU PF in supporting this application raises serious questions about the impartiality of political processes and the increasing encroachment of authoritarian practices in our political landscape. Such actions not only diminish the credibility and fairness of our electoral system but also erode the trust of the electorate in the democratic institutions that are supposed to safeguard their rights and freedoms. It is imperative that we, as a society, stand firmly against this attempt to limit political expression and manipulation of the legal system for political gain. The use of color in political campaigning is a fundamental right, intrinsic to the broader rights of free speech and association. Efforts to restrict such basic forms of expression are indicative of a larger, more disconcerting move towards authoritarianism and should be opposed vigorously. In conclusion, this court application by Blessing Kasiyamhuru, with the support of ZANU PF, to prohibit Barry Chamisa from using the color blue is not only legally untenable but also morally and ethically reprehensible. It is an assault on the principles of democracy, freedom of expression, and political diversity. We must collectively reject such maneuvers and advocate for a political environment where all parties can compete freely and fairly, without undue interference or suppression.